So where?
Motherfucker, they got white lights.
White. I was trying to catch this damn Camaro up here. This fucking black one. Do I gotta get over? I don't. Yeah, it's whole ass shit. He's pushing it though. He's scared though. I see. Oh, what you talking about, cuz? Oh, he getting off. Or not. Or is. There you go, bud. Get the fuck out the way. Now, what's this? That is a... I don't know what that is, honestly. Huh? I see that Challenger, but I'm talking about the car on the left. The one that you was talking about. Challenger it is. It look black. It is black, I think. Damn, I miss riding the highway. It's been a minute since I got on the highway. A little Beamer boy coming, what the fuck? Get the hell out of the way so I can get over, bitch. Yeah, let me over, nigga. Ooh. What the fuck? That was a C8? Oh, it do sound louder with my back seat down. It sound better. Huh? It's not even in fucking sport. We still in tour. It could take a curve. Faster than his damn fucking truck hauling his damn little trailer. Big ass truck. Better not get over, because I know you see me. Oh, I hate Atlanta roads. Damn, what the fuck is that? A Jaguar? SUV? That's another Challenger up there. Oh, you bitch ass Jetta. This motherfucker could turn. Oh. What, Tyree?
It's a that's the reason they keep popping up. Get enough notifications saying, man, it's at
Yeah, little fucking Jaguar. It is. And that bitch was pushing. What you in a rush for? Damn, Charlie. Why you gotta be on his ass like that? It's a regular old Charlie. Oh, they did the road? What the fuck? Oh, that little part. Shit, damn, I got excited as fuck. Say, damn, this road about to be smooth as fuck now. Fuck no. Oh God, they did. This shit hooking gold, bruh. Huh? He be alright. What? I'm just saying. What, do you want me to start saying 3, 2, 1? Huh? Damn. I think this fucking Jaguar back behind me, bro. It was. Damn. this bitch quick. I'm sorry. Might not be Hellcat quick, but this bitch quick.